Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve these kind of polynomials. Here, degree of x is 4, 2x to the power 4, negative 6x square, negative 12 is equal to 0. Look at this equation. This is divisible on 2, so I'm going to divide the whole equation with 2. This is x4, this is 3x square because 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So negative 6, this is 0. Now this is the equation. Can I write this x square this? When 2 multiply with 2 it's again is equal to 4. So 3x square negative 6 is equal to 0. So I am going to replace x square with any number with w, or now you can see that this is w square, negative 3 w negative 6 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic formula in w, negative b plus minus b square negative 4ac divided by 2. Okay, you can see that the coefficient of w square is a, this is 1. Okay, now this is b, that is equal to negative 3, and this is c, negative 6. Now after that, insert all these values in this formula. Now insert the value of b, this is negative 3, okay, plus minus this is negative 3 square minus 4 into a1, and c is minus 6. So 2, this is 2a, 2 into 1. Okay, now this is 3 plus minus 9. Negative 3 square is 9 plus 24. This is 24. 4, 6 are 24 divided by 2. Okay. Now you can see that 3 plus minus square root 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. Okay. Now this is 2. So this is w is equal to 3 plus minus 5.74 is the answer of this 33. Means when you find 33 square root, this is 5.74. Okay, now this is true. Now we have two values of w, like this is 3 plus 5.74 divided by 2, and the second value of w is 3 negative 5.74 divided by 2. Okay, now this is 8.74 divided by 2. Now divide this value with 2, 4.37, and this value is 3 negative 5.74. this is, divide this value with 2, this is negative, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 1 carry, 2 sevens are 30, 2 sevens are 14. So this is two values of w. We have two values of w, and consider in the start of the question we put x square is equal to w. Now replace w with x square. This is x square, that is equal to 4.37, and this is also x square that is equal to negative 1.37. This is w, this is w. We replace the values. Now square root on both sides. This will be cut off, and this is, and answer of x is equal to 2.09. This is the answer of 1x, and this is square root on both sides. This is square root on both sides. Now you can write 1.37 and this is -1. Square root of this, you should remember -1 is equal to iota. So this is 1.37 square root. So here your answer is this. Iota is out of the square root. So these are two values of x, and in this way you can solve each and every kind of polynomials like this. I hope so you got the idea. If you still have any confusion, any problem, you can comment under the video. And thank you for watching this video.